Hi guys, welcome to Boating for Beginners. In this video I'm going to show you how to flush your outboard motor using flush muffs. Let's go. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board guys. Let's rock. Okay guys, why do you need to flush your engine? Well, it's quite simple. We're going to get rid of all that sea salt. I do this after every season, at the end of every season, and I also do it like I'm going to do it now, beginning of each season. Okay, just gets rid of any debris, any sea salt, flushes all the outboard, everything, all the motor, all the parts of sea salt, and therefore prolonging the life of the engine. It's got to be good guys, it's got to be good. And basically we use these, we call these flush muffs. They're a bit like a pair of headphones, yeah, and I wish I could listen to it with a Zepp or Purple, but I can't. These are purely for the outboard guys, and this is how I connect them. Okay guys, here's my outboard engine, and let's take a closer look at where we're going to connect the flush muffs. Okay, here's the water inlets, and we're going to slide the muffs straight over those, and then put the cups straight over these water inlets. Okay, here's the flush muffs. And on here it's just a normal connection. I've got a Jubilee clip on there, okay? A normal garden hose, nothing special. Everyday garden hose with the fittings on here, like a garden fitting, okay? Just connect that into there and then get the garden hose, okay? Dead simple stuff. Click it on there and now we're connected. And all we've got to do now, guys, is turn the water on. Let's put the flush muffs in place. Okay guys, in we go. So we just slide the muffs over the inlet like so. Okay, just make sure that they're in place and they're not all screw with like that one is. That's it, just slide it back and make sure the cups are over the inlets guys. That's the important thing. Okay, both sides. Alright, so there we are. So that's pretty much everything in place, and all I've got to do now guys, turn the water on. Turn the water on, make sure you get a good pressure. Alright, there we are. Now you can see the water coming through there. Alright, and you can also see some water coming out of there. The muffs are in position and everything is looking pretty good. So let that flush through for a few minutes. I'm on the boat now and I'm just about to turn the ignition, but before I do I just want to make sure those flush muffs are in place. Okay, and they've not slipped off. So I'm just checking now. You see that there? Plenty of water pressure, plenty of water coming out. Okay, so that ear muff is okay there. Let me have another look at the other side, do a visual. Eyes don't lie. Let's check it out guys. That's all looking pretty good, and the jet of water's coming out as well. So great flow of water. Time to turn the engine on guys. Let's check it out. Let's flush that baby. Here we go. Oh yeah. Now you should start seeing some water getting out at the back. Right just there. That means it's going all the way through the engine guys. All the way through, from the flush muffs all the way up through the engine and straight out again. Now what is important is you don't run it or rev it up at this moment in time. Okay, in fact when you're flushing and using these muffs you should never rev it up anyway. Just let it warm up for 5 minutes and then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. And now guys, here's my engine temperature. Okay, it's gone from 109 to 113 now, and you can see the temperature rising. Okay, I don't let my engine get any warmer than 150. That's Fahrenheit. Okay, so when it reaches around 145, that's when I turn it off. It's done its job and we've totally and thoroughly flushed through. You can see the temperature rising there, and what you'll find is the water that's coming out of the engine will be very warm. Not enough to make a nice English cup of tea, but it will be warm. Right. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in gear, just in idle. Alright, just make sure there's nobody there. And now the propeller is spinning. The flush muffs are in place. The water's still coming through. So everything's good there. Now I'm going to put it back into neutral. There we are. Let's check the temperature. Now 135. And when it reaches 140, that's when I'm going to turn the ignition key off. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to place a like. Rock and roll. And off she goes. There we are. Alright, here we go. There we are. Sorted, guys. What do you think to that then? Hey! How cool is that? That's how you flush an outboard motor using flush muffs. Thanks for watching Boating for Beginners. Bye bye for now.